Hello everyone, I'm Tao. So this lesson will continue to study about requirejs. And in the last lesson, we're learning how to quickly to start use the requirejs. So we can have a look the exciting requirejs to study it. So we're learning about the step. The first one is download it and or CDN. The second thing is make some importing file and to try ready use the requirejs. And the three we to use the script to loading the requirejs, and 4 it uses the main.js. So you can to do it now, and you can to learn and find the requirejs file loading process to loading JS file. So for example, the demo is to loading the until.js in the helper flow. If you can do it, you can find it. It's so good job for this. Also, we need to know about the learning the data dash some name is attribute of HTML. So you know it, and just attribute a new attribute of HTML file. So the requirejs to read this attribute, for example, the data dash main, and to get the what are your JS file you need to load, and the requirejs help you to manage it. So this is the last lesson content. So this lesson we to know and to the requirejs the good points. The good points mean is what thing is why we use requirejs. So in this lesson, we need to have a test and to know when we use or not use the requirejs, and to find the requirejs the good point. It helped me to use it. Why? So we can find the first and important thing about the good point. The one is not stop the web page loading. In the next way, I will to try to make a new web page and to try test this is how to not stop the web page loading. And the good point 2 is model management of JS file. Maybe you can to look at the PPT and to very quickly to read it. And the word is so hard for me, the English word. I can know the meaning, but some word if I read then I speak, it's hard for me. And this lesson I want to tell you my name. So about my name things is let's open. So my name is Tao, because I from China. So the Tao, the three part, the Tao is my name for me, only for me. And the Meng is my sister name, my brother and my sister only. My brother, how to say, right? Brother and sister is use the men, and the guo is my family name. Family, how to say, what's right? I can't write family. Yeah, this one. So the third part is build my name, but I feel it's so come to very quickly say. So tall or Meng, I try it tall, and M equal tall. So this is my name, a new name for the English name Tom. So in the next lesson, in the other lesson, I need to say my name is Tom. It's easy to say Tom. Okay. And we try to write a script here. So script. If this in these files, we don't this file don't use the requirejs, and we to do something. For example, we need build a new function. Its name is Tom, my name. So we to share it a lot. Let maybe it's Tom go show. Tom show, okay, and way to loading it. That's how it look. So brush, you can find the Tom show is okay, but look there, here, and the brush is continue to waiting loading, and you can't see my new name, and I check this button, and then you can tell, okay, my name is Guo Tao. The Tao is only for me. Brother sister Meng is brother sister name. Guo is my family name. So Tao plus Meng is I make a new name, my Tom. So again, if rush, you can't to see this word. So you need to check here, and then you can to it's okay. But we copy this JS and to the project, and this here we to loading use the requirejs, and to main we can to go the main, and we use the helper until, or here we can to like this here, and then Tom show okay, new, okay, this is a new one. So let's go there and have a look. And it is project. So okay, when the Tom show new, but you can look here, refresh, it don't have the login. Wait, look here, Tom, no text, no content, and the brush is loading, waiting now. But here it's not waiting anything. It's this text content and the text is show, and here it's show again. So this is the why we to use this is the why we to use the requirejs an important thing. It's load when the text, when the ATM is loading to die, and then the requirejs to run the JS. this is first thing one. We can to know the different thing use or don't use requirejs and use requirejs. And also the requirejs can help me to manage a lot with the JS file. For example, here is until. If for example we make one new maybe Tom JS. So if in here you how to say you need to script src and go to help for example tom.js or until or other you need to load in a lot of. So but in requirejs we only to loading here. Yeah, and we can choose. This is for help. In help floor, and maybe we can choose move. And this is also okay. Also okay. Let's have a look. Also okay, right? And we can to check the F12 and have a look. No row and no. We can turn Tom until main is good. So it's okay for that lesson. I share the requirejs, the good point. I hope you continue look this lesson very clear, very to know the need about the good point for requirejs. The first thing you need to find and feel it's not stop the web page loading. Oh, thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye.